Well, good morning this morning. We're gonna run over here and go to a little car event. I'm gonna meet my son over there. And look around a little bit, maybe go do a little bit of riding. Go over to the Tallahassee Harley-Davidson dealership. They got a little event going on over there. May go do that for a little bit. I may go get some lunch and then call it a day. I got some stuff to do this afternoon, so we shall see how today goes. Been a rainy couple of weeks. Had a lot going on. Couldn't ride any last weekend. I was out of town. This is Labor Day weekend, so got me some new Thrashing Supply gloves. First time I've worn them. They fit differently than my other gloves do. They're not broke in as well, so they just feel different. I gotta get used to them. But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna go to the car show today and enjoy ourselves a little bit, do a little bit of riding around, do some things that I haven't been able to do in a while, like ride and enjoy myself. And it is hot and humid. A little bit cool right now, but the humidity is just, I already feel like I'm about soaked. I'm gonna try to take a little bit more of a scenic ride over there. just crossed over I-10. Yeah, here we are at a little car show. Got a few things. The VW. Very cool. Awesome. Big truck. Very nice looking car. Very nice. A little bit more modern one. Different, but nice. Very nice cars. Very nice.